made it to video 3. On video 3, this is my favorite part, all right? This is where I feel like, oh my goodness, I am so strong. I am a superhero, all right? This is where the samurai comes out. When you're feeling somebody else's anxiety and you can actually pinpoint it as not yours because there's no reason for you to be feeling this way. And then you're just like, I can help. And you know what you can do to actually transmute it? See, transmutation means taking one thing, it's actually alchemy. It's taking one thing and turning it into something else. You can turn that anxiety into happiness. You can turn it into creative energy. You can turn it into so much more, all right? So this is what I do when I start feeling it. When I start feeling somebody else, you know what I do? I start thinking of the people that make me the happiest. Or I'll turn on my favorite music in my ears and I will dance around like a 2-year-old, okay? Just have a blast, because what you're doing, if they're sending that anxious energy to you because it's overwhelming their body, what you're gonna do is you are going to make so much happy energy, and you're gonna send that right back to them. And guess what happens? It lessens their anxiety. One way that I also do it is when I feel that, I'll go and I'll start creating. I'll start making videos like this. I'll go in the studio and start writing music. You can turn it into creative energy. Remember, it's energy. You don't have to leave it stagnant. You can use it. And when you do, you're not only creating something of benefit for yourself and possibly others, you're also lessening the other person's anxiety. So, take that energy, use it as fuel, and become the superhero that you've always been.